I'm still in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first we should launch the settings application, and after that let's tap here on the sound section. Just here we'll see the ring identification volume panel. Just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should press up or down volume button on the right side of our phone, click here on these three dots, and then tap here to ring notification volume panel. Just to mute our device ringtone, we should swipe to the left side as dot and then tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.